doggy, what is going on, beautiful people? Let me ask you, are you struggling to find in buyers? Or maybe you're worried about how are you even going to start to find in buyers once you start getting these deals? Well, in this video training, I want to show you how you can go and find premium in buyers in your area where your deal is, okay? And you're going to be able to do this for free. So you're not going to have to go and buy a third-party platform just for in buyers, or you're not going to have to go and buy some massive buyers list. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can find, again, those premium in buyers where your property is located. All right, but before we jump into it, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and please share this afterwards if you get value out of it. Okay, so let me pull up Propstream. So Propstream, I will even leave a link in the description for you to get a 7-day free trial to. This is where we pull data, run comps, all of that good stuff. All right. But let's say we have our property right here, 619 East Miller Road, and we just got this property under contract. And now we actually need to find an in buyer so that we can do the wholesale side of things. Okay. What we want to do is we want to go here and we want to look at properties that have been fixed up and sold in that area. Okay. So we have everything within a half a mile. And I'm going to go through here. The easiest way to kind of start to spot properties that may have been rehabbed, look at the amount they sold for. Okay. So if you see right here, we have 147, 250, and then it jumps up to 325. Well, let's check out this 325 because that's a lot higher than the other ones. Sometimes Propstream has pictures in it of the property. If it doesn't, then we just throw it in the Google. We go here. Nice. Look at this. 4-bedroom, 1 bath. Built in 1958. This house did not look like this in 1958. Okay. So that's a good sign that this house has been remodeled. New flooring, new windows, new kitchen. Hopefully nobody on this video would disagree with me that this house has been remodeled. I don't know about that blue room. They could have did without that one. Right? That's a fully remodeled house, at least in my opinion. And sometimes when you look in the property descriptions, they will even tell you that they've been remodeled. Single family house. It's perfect hold as an investment. Nice. Okay. So if y'all would agree with me that this house has been updated, we can go back to our Propstream. We can go in here, hit details on that property. Go to MLS details. And literally just call the agent right here. Here's the agent's information for free. And this is another reason why I love Propstream. So I would call Wendy and I would say, hey, Wendy, my name is Clifford. I saw that you just listed a property or sold a property in Garland. I have one in that same exact area that I'm looking to do an assignment of contract on. Let me ask you, did you rehab that property or are you just working with an investor that rehabbed it? And Wendy's going to say one or two things, that she works with an investor or she rehabbed it herself. If she says that she's worked with an agent or she's working with an investor, I'll say perfect. Well, do you know if your investor is looking for more off-market properties? If you connect me with them, I will gladly pay you a referral fee if they purchase this property from me. Right? That simple, y'all. And then you can go in here and we would just do it again. So that's just one. Let's find another one. Let's see what this one was for 260. I love it. Another one right here that's been fully updated. New windows, new paint, new bathrooms, flooring, etc. This one right here even says beautifully renovated. So this lets us know that it was fully renovated, okay? So we'll go back into Propstream, look at the details here. Click where it says MLS details. Call the agent, Joel, right here. That's simple, y'all. So now you can go and find in buyers in your specific area just by connecting with the agents that sold the houses that just got done being rehabbed. Does that make sense? Now, why this is so powerful is because what most investors do who rehab houses or flip houses, they typically pay very, very close attention to the comps, okay? They also know what they just spent on their rehab. So when you present them with another opportunity in that same exact area where that deal is that they just wrapped up, they can make a decision very quickly, right? Because they know what the comps are, they know how much they have to spend in repairs. Sometimes they can even buy your house sight unseen because they already know the area so well. So next time you're looking for an in buyer, I want you to go and find all of the houses that had just been rehabbed and start calling those agents.